Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can run a profit and loss statement on your QuickBooks account. Now, you want to log in, of course, to your account. Once you are here on your dashboard, on the left-hand menu here, you want to click on reports. Once you are in your reports, you want to type the report name here, and you want to type in profit and loss, right? So you're going to be brought to the profit and loss page. So we don't have any data, but to do this, once you have data here, you can actually tweak it before clicking run, right? So you can actually choose the accounting method, either cash or accrual, right? By default, it's going to be accrual. So click on cash if you want to do cash, right? Display columns by, you can do customer, employees, product, service. So weeks, months, quarters, years, so on and so forth, products and services. So for example, you want to do products and service, and then you want to click on select period. So for example, you want to do previous year. There we go. And then calculations would be maybe percentage of row. There we go. And then after you've customized it the way you want, and then now you can click on run. After that, you'll be able to get the data that you want. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.